Dr. Baker said, "You're gonna be all right." He said, we'll get that fixed up. So that meant the most to me. Unfortunately, I had a fall. Couldn't brace myself in time, lost a tooth. Felt like the end of the world at the time. There was a lot of pain, absolutely, a lot of pain. It actually broke several teeth and knocked that tooth completely out. It definitely was a serious injury, and it needed prompt attention. Something like that happens to your face, you know, it hits close to home. It's just, you don't really realize it, but yeah, when people are looking at you a little different, things just aren't right, you know that. It has a huge effect on your life. I went one day without a tooth. I had a new tooth in there, at least a temporary tooth in there, almost within 24 hours. I didn't know much about implants before it happened, but I did realize that I was a clear candidate for an implant after the accident. He educated me on the implants, time frame, how it works, what I need to be doing to take care of this while we're waiting for everything to heal. And just a great happy ending. Dr. Baker's bedside manner, so to speak, his demeanor is very calm. He's very intelligent, bright young man, wonderful family man, and a hard worker. I noticed how he works around the office. I noticed how they all work together, and it's very impressive. I was surprised at how fundamental and how professional these doctors are, and what they could do for me. It's amazing.